Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:23 p.m. August 19th, 2021, Thursday. Getting close to the end of the week again. Markets were another boring day. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I'm going to make this kind of quick. I took a couple days off, just boring price action and really nothing to report. Just took a couple days where I focused on a couple other things outside of trading, and I came back today and did okay. For the markets that were gapping down pretty good, another end of the world, not end of the world, but you can see here we gapped down the daily SPY, and then we climbed up pretty much through the rest of the day. You can see here we gapped down here and climbed up. Didn't close at highs for the day, so that could be interesting for tomorrow. I'm not too sure what we will expect tomorrow. Close out the week and go mid-month. Anyway, let's get into it. Snap, quick news event that I was looking at something else at the time, and it seemed okay. I was up like 5 or 6 cents on it, and then it flipped on me, and I kind of held on to it. Probably should have gotten out. Took a small loss on that one. DraftKings, small loss on a news play with a North Carolina bid of sports betting. DraftKings just doesn't move like it used to on news plays like that. Needs a little bit more fervor of an event, we'll call it. NCTY was a Bitcoin play trying to get in there. Same thing as the BTBT. Of course, BTBT I got out too soon. Ran another 50 cents for me. NCTY I got out, and luckily I did because it did pull down pretty good. Skills was a news event of potential buyout. Didn't really go anywhere. You can see here a lot of these were news plays and they didn't really work out, but notice how small my losses were. So I wasn't really in big, as well as I didn't let it go against me. If it didn't go, I'm like, okay, I'm getting out of this thing. Tilray was a quick news event. Microsoft was a news event I did not take advantage of. That's the one I wanted to show today, I think. Right here. And then made new highs, just kept making new highs, all-time highs. They raised the price of Office, which I use, and it is kind of annoying because it's okay. Anyway, you can see the volume came in, but it did a lot of chucks. It sort of like climbed, pulled back, climbed, pulled back. And I actually lost in the first entry, took the second entry, made it back, and then some, and then left probably $2 on the table. Tesla was, I don't even remember what Tesla was. NVDA, I'm not going to talk about was just breaking out. I really liked it through 195 because it made the high of day. It was like 195, and I looked away and it broke through 195, but I did take a trade on this pullback. It was actually really nice on the way up, but I took it like before noon. Made a nice little move up on NVIDIA with an $81 gain. DLO was early play, looking to take out highs again through 64 level, I think it was, and it got a little tricky. Of course, it pulled back through my entry here through 61 and then climbed up to new highs. It tends to happen all the time. And then there's Facebook. Facebook was a news event. Right here, I took a short trade on a news event because it was filed FTC scenario once again being thrown at Facebook. So I took a 135 trade. So usually I have a hard time with Facebook. I have a hard time with DraftKings. I have a hard time with Hood. I have a hard time with Square. Luckily I won one against Facebook today. So 285 on the day. I'm just going to close up the video. Seriously, hopefully we get to September, things pick up, because overall it was quite boring. I did other work. I was just kind of listening for news to populate some charts. Maybe a couple things were setting up, but I was not really into scalping today. I'm not looking for 7 cents, 10 cents. NVIDIA was the only one that was really kind of doing that thing, and I left a couple things on the table with BTBT, but other than that, I'm okay with it. So make sure you subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.